So welcome again. Next is the fourth video of KTU Advanced Manufacturing Technology question paper solution. So this is question number 2019 and the question is question number 3A. Write any 5 preparatory function code in manual part programming and its explanation. Any 5 preparatory function code in manual part programming and its explanation, and marks is actually 5 marks. That means 5 preparatory code means one mark for each code. Okay, you have when you write 5 code, you will get 5 marks. Write any 5 preparatory function code in manual part programming and its explanation. Okay, so here the first code is G00. So here you can see G00. G00 means a rapid traverse. That means a rapid movement. G00. So G00, you have to enter what is the X value, Y value, and Z value. So here the small x, here you can see small x, small y, and a small z. That represents what is the X value, what is the Y value, Z value. For example, G00 say X10, Y10, Z10. That means the tool rapidly move from its current position, current point to X10, Y10, and Z10. That is the G00. Then next is the G01. G01 means the linear interpolation. G01 is the linear interpolation. G01. That means linear movement. Okay, so linear movement with the cutting. Okay, so whenever I will give the G01, that means cutting will be happen. So G01, what is the X value, what is the Y value, Z value, then enter the feed value also, F. Okay, so F, small f, so small x, small y, small z, and feed value. That is G01. G00 means a rapid traverse. That means no cutting. So here no cutting. So here no cutting. G00 means no cutting. So here cutting. So that's why you have to enter the feed value also. Feed. Okay, that is the second code. Then next is the G02 and G03. That G02 means circular interpolation in the clockwise direction. Okay, so tool movement in the clockwise direction. That is G02, and the tool movement in counterclockwise direction. That is G03. So G02 and G03. And in which plane? So here you can see in XY plane or YZ plane or XZ plane. Okay, so if it is XY plane, you can see G02 X, Y, then you can see I and J. So I and J are called X parameter and Y parameter. Okay, or you can give the radius value also, R value also. Okay, so G02 X and Z. So the X parameter is I and Z parameter is K. That's why I and K. And the next is G02 Y, Z. That means YZ plane. So here you can see YZ plane, and Y parameter is J and Z parameter is K. Okay, so G02 in XY plane, XZ plane, and YZ plane. Okay, you can give the parameter value, or you can give like this G02 X, Y, and radius. Okay, so you can use in this format also, no problem. The next is the G03, the same thing. G03 means in the counterclockwise direction in XY plane. So XY, G03 XY, then I and J. I means the X parameter, Y is the J parameter. G03 XZ, I and K. I is the X parameter, K is the Z parameter. And G03 YZ, J is the Y parameter and K is the Z parameter. Okay, so that's about 1, 2, 3, 4 preparatory codes. Then next is the, so the question is write any 5 preparatory code, and the last code is, so here you can see G17. G17 means plane selection. Is it XY plane or is it YZ plane or XZ plane? So here I am using G17. G17 means XY plane. You have to select XY plane. So these are the 5 preparatory function code in manual programming and its explanation. So G00 means a rapid movement of the tool without cutting. G01 means linear interpolation with cutting. G02 means circular interpolation in the clockwise direction. In which plane? XY plane, YZ plane, or XZ plane. Then G03 circular interpolation in counterclockwise direction in XY plane, YZ plane, or XZ plane. And finally G17, that is the XY plane selection. Okay, so that's all about the question. Write any 5 preparatory function code in manual part programming and its explanation. Thank you.